Seeing as the 2021 Ballon d'Or is rolling around in a few months, the debate for the best player in the world is probably going to poke its head around as well yet again. As a completely unbiased fan, personally, I'd have to say it is still Ronaldo. With Messi finally getting his first international trophy with Argentina a few weeks back, it seems as if the majority may not agree with me. With the cancellation of the 2020 Ballon d'Or, Robert Lewandowski, consistent as ever, Farmers League, has indignantly thrown his name into the mix as well. Just like France football, though, we don't care about Lewandowski. Who else to finally end, or at least somewhat give insight on the Messi versus Ronaldo debate, but AI. In this video, I'll be using IBM's Early Access Debater API to scour the internet to back up both sides of the argument. Messi or Ronaldo? Here I have opened the Jupyter Notebook with everything needed to make an argument by mining internet articles. The Debater API, currently in early access, provides an API key and an SDK which you can download from the website. To actually look through articles, IBM uses Watson Discovery, an intelligent search platform. In order to use this service, you'll need to provide your credentials in the form of an API key and a URL. Apart from the technical stuff, you can simply provide an argument, like Lionel Messi is better than Cristiano Ronaldo, or Ronaldo is better than Messi. And along with that, you provide some topics/aspects related to the argument, like football, trophies, national team, goals, assists, After finding related articles, supporting details are filtered in order to create an argumentative case. At the very end, you can find a generated narrative. Since this process is quite lengthy, I'll just be showing these narratives and make my own, completely unbiased judgment. Let's start with the argument in favor of Lionel Messi. Here you can see that the first candidates shown are very loosely but still somewhat related to the topics. You can see some news about the Palestinian national flag, some wallpapers, and if you scroll down you can see some more argumentative sentences which are scored based on how well they provide evidence backing the argument, and if it is a pro or a con. And you can see, you send him a melon, he turns it into caviar, a quote by Griezmann. Messi remains world's best player, a quote by Iniesta. And if you scroll further down, you can find a narrative generated that supports the argument. It's mined from 27 Watson Discovery news articles, and you can read through this. And it also provides the resources that were investigated by Watson Discovery News. And if you scroll all the way to the end, you can find each supporting statement in relation to the aspects provided earlier. And here are some of the best evidence with the argument in relation to football, trophies, national team, Barcelona, and more. Now, how about Ronaldo? After rerunning the notebook in support of Ronaldo rather than Messi, here you can see some more results. With 7,567 sentences containing the topic, it seems that Ronaldo has nearly 700 more sentences than Messi did. And now we can scroll down to the narrative. And I like this narrative a lot more than Messi's because it covered a lot more spaces and talked about his mentality, value, and his records, along with his Euro 2020 performance in parallel to Messi's Copa America performance this year. And again, you can see the credits and the resources. And if we scroll down, although there are more sentences related to the topic, you can see that there's a lot more negative feedback as well. And here you can see through the pro, con, and evidence scores that here we have negative 0.9 and not as much positive stuff, and definitely nowhere near as consistent as Messi's praise. In my opinion, it is a challenge to decide really, seeing as both arguments are perfectly well, but after scrolling through more sentences, I'll have to give this one to Messi. You see, I told you I was unbiased. Not a great day to be a Ronaldo fan, although I hope you enjoyed this argument powered by the IBM Project Debater. Until next time, see you.